Hello everyone. Hello Dhruti. Hello Supriya ma'am. Hello Gayatri ma'am. Hello Mona ma'am. Hello everyone. Happy Makar Sankranti to all. Hello Tanishka. Hello Komal ma'am. Hello Dipti ma'am. Hello Hardik. Hello Asha. Hello everyone. Wishing all of you a happy Makar Sankranti. Hello Sushma ma'am. Everyone is right on time today. I'm so happy. So let us start our article without wasting much of time. For today, we'll be needing acrylic colors, Fevicol. We'll be needing Fevicol. We will not be needing fabric glue. We will be needing Fevicol. Then for the texture giving, we will be needing talcum powder. My voice is slow. Just let me check. Are you able to hear me now? Can someone give me a thumbs up? Am I clearly audible and visible? Voice is also audible? Okay. I think we should start. Very slow. Yes is for slow or yes is for that I'm audible? Can someone please guide? Yes is for slow or yes is for that I'm audible to all? Okay, it is fine. This is the tracing. These are the palette knives which we will be needing. Then our brushes, and this is for the ones who does not have palette knife. So we can take the substitute, but to be very honest, palette knife से ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है. Let us start our article. This article is also by texture paste only, but I'll tell you क्योंकि ये थोड़ा छोटा आर्टिकल था तो इस वजह से मैंने इसको नहीं लिया. I wanted to take some beautiful article, तो इस वजह से मैंने ये वाला आर्टिकल नहीं लिया है. But if you want to try, आप इस आर्टिकल को भी ट्राई कर सकते हो. Hello अनु मैम. This is the drawing. I have already, I think I have not shared this in the group. Can someone take a picture of this, please? Please take a screenshot. I just forgot to share this on the group. Or I'll draw it again, then I'll share. सबसे पहले we will start with giving the base. I am taking a broad brush. I am taking a white, cerulean blue, ultramarine blue, sorry, light green, sap green. Ma'am, we are making impasto painting. sap green and a tinge of black. These are the only shades which we require. And this is, I'm using the greenery shade. This is a new shade launched by the company. So I'm using this shade. It is completely optional. If you want to try, you can use this shade. Otherwise, you can skip. Does not matter. Hello, Siddhi ma'am. I've already, as you can see, that I've already painted this board white. And whenever you do impasto painting, make sure that your base is hard enough. Because once it is dried, so it takes a hard, it is hard in itself. So you need to take a hard base. If you will take canvas, then what will happen? If you will take canvas like this, ये मैंने specially इसीलिए रखा था कि आप, if you are able to see, थोड़ा थोड़ा यहाँ के ऊपर वो आना, मतलब it is stiff हो गया है यहाँ से. Is it visible? कि ये यहाँ से ना यहाँ पे folds नजर आ रहे हैं. As actually it is black in color, तो maybe शायद नजर ना आ रहा हो. Okay, it is Kavya. Hello Kavya. जैसे अगर आप इसको स्ट्रेच कैनवस से इसको ऐसे पकड़ोगे तो यहाँ पे फोल्ड नजर आ रहे हैं. तो दैट इज व्हाई ऑलवेज टेक अ हार्ड बेस. ईदर यू कैन टेक कैनवस और यू कैन टेक एमडीएफ. इफ यू आर टेकिंग एमडीएफ, मेक श्योर दैट you paint it white first. Let us start with our article. I am taking white color in my brush. I am loading my brush with white color. I will not be keeping this video. I will be deleting this video. सबसे पहले मैं स्टार्टिंग के अंदर यहाँ पे आई एम गिविंग अ वाइट स्ट्रोक. देन जितना मेरा रिवर का एरिया है, देयर आल्सो आई एम गिविंग वाइट. As it is MDF, it is not going to soak a lot of color. To make sure that you don't load a lot of color in your brush, otherwise it will be difficult for you to handle it. It doesn't matter, आपका थोड़ा सा भी कलर बाहर भी चला जाएगा तो it will not matter. I'm just giving a white base to the river. Now what I'm doing is, I'm taking this ultramarine blue and I'm dipping my brush like this. I'm not dipping it like this, I'm dipping like this. I'm just touching the surface of the brush and I'm starting from the downwards. If at any point of time you see that your brush is not moving perfectly, you can always dip in water. This way I have created the river. Now I'll just smooth it. I'm just removing the extra color. I'm just making it smooth. So you can see it is dark from this side, and when we are moving toward upwards, so it is becoming light. And without washing my brush, I'm just creating light blue sky over here. If you can see the picture, that was a Google reference pic. I'm also creating this article for the first time only. That was a Google reference pic. And then I'm just rotating my brush like this, moving in one direction. तो if it is visible, यहाँ पे हल्का सा light blue एक sky का effect आ गया है. And don't forget that your horizon line should be white. This portion should be completely white. I've just moved my brush upwards. This is completely white. This white portion is seen. Then from lighter shade, we are moving towards the dark shade. Now I'm just washing my brush. Now I'm taking dark green, light green, which is available in our sunflower kit. The greenery color. The greenery color, I said, this is a completely optional, but this is a very beautiful shade. You must try it. Because sometimes what happens that we get bored from the regular shades. I'm starting off with white again. Now I have to take the shape of the sea or river basically. Putting white gives the shine to our article, and the purpose is that our color is consumed in less quantity. Generally what we do is कि हम जो white bottle होती है we take in big packets, और जो और colors होते हैं वो हम थोड़े छोटे packets में लेते हैं, छोटी bottles में I mean. तो by applying white we are saving on other colors. That is the reason we generally apply white. Now I'm taking the greenery color. We are just giving the base to the our impasto painting, because अगर थोड़ा सा बीच में से रह जाएगा तो वो गंदा दिखेगा बाद में, खाली empty spaces. So we are just filling the color in that. Make sure कि आपके बीच में lines visible ना हो. I'm just removing the excess color because I want to move upwards. और मैं इसी से इसको blend करूँगी. Just lightest green, you can say. I'm just giving the lightest and blending the color. And I'm giving the lightest green above. Then the greenery color, the middle green. You can create this by mixing the light green and the white also. And here I am moving. When I am moving towards downwards, I am using the light green color which is there in our kit. I hope I am clear, everyone. The blending is very necessary. When you think that when you are moving upwards, please make sure that don't use this brush. Remove the extra color in this and then start blending. See, I am removing the extra color, then without washing, then I am blending it. Because when you go from a darker side to a lighter side, then you should always clean your brush, otherwise color बहुत white को occupy कर लेगा. Yes ma'am, sure you can take brown brush, but इस टाइप की merging it is always preferred कि आप flat brush से करो तो ज़्यादा अच्छा है, क्योंकि round brush से strokes are more visible than the flat brush. आप राउंड ब्रश अगर ऐसे करोगे तो कितना भी कर लोगे आपके स्ट्रोक्स विजिबल होंगे, बट राउंड ब्रश से योर स्ट्रोक्स आर नॉट विजिबल. Again, I'm starting from here. इफ यू आर टेकिंग व्हाइट कलर इन द बेस ऑल्सो, आपका जो ब्लेंडिंग ऑफ कलर्स होगा वो भी बहुत ईजी हो जाता है. Again, I'm taking the greenery color. If you have more color, please remove the color. Don't load with extra color. Again, I'm starting from the middle and I'm moving toward upwards and then downwards. See, from here I have to remove extra color in my brush, otherwise the white color will disappear and the green color will take its place. So I'm removing the extra color and then I'm merging it. And from downwards, I'm taking the light green color. Now I'm moving toward upwards and again I'm cleaning my brush thoroughly and then I'm moving upwards. When I'm blending here, I need to clean my brush thoroughly, otherwise the dark color will dominate the light color. Now I am completely satisfied with the base. I hope it is clear till now. Should we move ahead with the making of the texture? So I am keeping it aside. Whenever you make any kind of base, it is very necessary that you take a flat plate. Don't take a steel plate. Glass is always preferred. If you take glass, it will be best. But otherwise, you can take any hard surface. But maximum times, the preferred one is glass. For the paste, I have palette knife, so I'm taking the palette knife. You can try it with either forks, the backside of spoons, or anything of that sort. This is talcum powder. Whenever you can make it with marble powder, talcum powder, anything, but don't use POP. I've taken around 5 scoops of this talcum powder with me. Now I'm taking Fevicol. We don't have an actual proportion of this Fevicol and the powder. As gradually you mix it, you will be able to know that you need to add more of it or not. So no teacher can guide you with this. You just need to mix it, then we will be able to understand. And please don't use a lot of Fevicol. जैसे अगर अभी आपको लग रहा होगा कि Fevicol ये बहुत कम है. And gradually when it will start mixing, तो हम इसके अंदर we can always add more, but deducting is very difficult. Now lumps are forming, and I think I need more of Fevicol. Now I'm adding. You have to press it hard. Any questions till now? In any kind of texture paste, you cannot use fabric glue. So please don't use fabric glue. This paste will be less, so I'm adding some more talcum. मैम प्रेफर्ड फ्लैट सरफेस पर ही होता है. अल्टीमेटली आपको फ्लैट सरफेस पे निकालना पड़ेगा. आप बोल में मिक्स करोगे या कुछ भी करोगे, बट वेन एवर यू वर्क यू हैव टू रिमूव इट ऑन अ फ्लैट सरफेस. इसीलिए वी ऑलवेज प्रेफर कि फ्लैट सरफेस पे ही आपको इसका पेस्ट बनाना आना चाहिए. इट इज योर चॉइस, आप बना सकते हो. जब हम कोनिंग वर्क करते हैं बेसिकली, देन वी मेक द पेस्ट इन द बोल. But when we use in impasto or any kind of stroke painting, then we have to make it on a flat surface. We don't have to use water. अभी ये dry है, I'm just dipping my this what do you call knife. और मैं इतना ही पानी ले रही हूँ. I'm not taking more. I just need to mix it. It is a mixture of powder and Fevicol only. Once you get the desired consistency, till then you need to mix it. This knife shape is actually like this. Am I slow again? Komal ma'am, please turn up your volume button because I am at my max. Am I clearly audible now? I'm again dipping my this knife and then I'm mixing. But you don't need to pour water. Because Fevicol, the use of Fevicol is must. Now I'm able to bind this. Seema, which part you are saying? It is actually difficult to tackle talcum powder. If you will use marble powder, then it is easy to make the texture paste. But I have not used this marble powder because many students does not have it. मैम क्ले टाइप नहीं बनाना है. सुप्रिया मैम क्ले टाइप नहीं बनाना है आपको. अगर क्ले टाइप बन रहा है तो ऐड सम वाटर. क्ले नहीं बनेगा ये. See, this is the texture. This is the type of consistency we need. It should move like this. मैम वॉल पुट्टी से एक्चुअली क्या होता है कि वॉल पुट्टी अपने आप में ही ना हार्ड हो जाती है. मतलब आई हैव ट्राइड विद मार्बल पाउडर एंड टेल्कम पाउडर. आई हैव नेवर ट्राइड विद वॉल पुट्टी. एंड इफ यू विल यूज वॉल पुट्टी ना तो आपको ये पता चलेगा कि वॉल पुट्टी से आपके हाथ खराब हो जाते हैं. हाथ के अंदर क्रैक्स डेवलप हो जाते हैं. तो आई डोंट यूज, नीदर आई यूज नॉर आई रेकमेंड. Talcum powder is very easy to use. Why don't you go for talcum powder? It is easily available at everyone's place. Now this base is ready. Now just we need to see how we create the strokes. For creating the strokes, your knife should be completely clean. मैम अगर ये रबर टाइप हो रहा है तो आपने फेविकॉल इसमें बहुत ज्यादा मिला दिया है. You have to add some more talcum powder. अगर फेविकॉल आपने इसमें ज्यादा मिला दिया है उसके अंदर, इस वजह से वो रबर टाइप हो गया है. सी, मैंने आपके सामने ही बनाया है एंड इट इज आई एम एबल टू मूव दिस सो स्मूथली. इसीलिए मैंने आपको बोला था डोंट यूज अ लॉट ऑफ फेविकॉल. आप ग्रेजुअली उसको धीरे धीरे ऐड कर सकते हो, बट बाद में माइनस करना उसको बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा. जस्ट ट्राई टू ऐड सम talcum पाउडर और वाटर, मे बी वो ठीक हो जाए. So we should go with the strokes. It is already 4:35, sorry. First of all, our knife should always be clean. We have to take like this. Are you able to see my knife? We have to take like this and we just need to press. Like this. Then we have to press. सिर्फ नाइफ के आपको इतने एरिया पे लेना है, जस्ट दिस मच. इतने एरिया पे आपको लेना है एंड यू हैव टू जस्ट नीड टू प्रेस लाइक दिस. अब आप बोलोगे कि आप बड़े एरिया पे क्यों ले रहे हो? अगर बड़े एरिया पे हमने ऐसे लिया तो व्हाट विल हैपन, जब हम इसको ऐसे प्रेस करेंगे तो हमारा ये बड़ी लीफ बन जाएगी. And we don't need this much big stroke. We just need this kind of. See again carefully, please. Like my knife is. This is not small size of knife, man. This is number 3. And small size ये वाला होता है. This is number 1, this is number 3, this is number 2, and these are all big knives. You can take number 1 also, but I am comfortable with this one, that is why I am taking this. Please see again how I am creating the strokes, because this is the most important part. Rest we can do on ourselves also. I'm just taking this much in my knife on the opposite side and I'm just pressing it like this. Like this, and I'm pressing like this. If you want to create a big stroke, then I'm taking more and I am just pressing like this. This is just the one stroke we need in this kind of impasto which I'm teaching today. And if we need more small stroke, then we will be needing this much and we will be doing like this. 3 type of strokes. Have you understood? Should I move ahead? जैसे जैसे मैं करूँगी, you will able to understand. अब इसमें से मैं इतना सा ये थोड़ा अलग निकाल रही हूँ फॉर वाइट. एंड इसमें आई एम मिक्सिंग द ग्रीनरी कलर. if your texture paste will be what do you call, if it will be in a running position, तो what will happen कि जब आपके strokes जब आप लगाओगे तो वो strokes बैठ जाएंगे थोड़ी देर बाद. So you're getting the exact color of the lotus leaves by this greenery color. I'm taking this, I'm dividing into 60 and 40, and इसमें I'm mixing this light green color. So we'll be getting 3 shades: white, greenery, and the light green. Now this work cannot be done in a bowl. अब आपने एक फ्लैट प्लेट ली हुई है तो आप अलग अलग निकाल रहे हो, but it is very difficult to manage in a bowl. Let us start. I'm just keeping this aside. Clean your knife. If you don't have the palette knives, you can go for this kind of stick also. You can cut this stick with the scissor in this shape. Then you can also try with it. I'll start with this portion. I hope it is clearly visible. I'll start with this portion. I've taken this. I've taken the color on my knife and I'm just pressing it. I just need to overlap this. Whenever you think that your knife is not clean, please clean it. Then start again. It should be clean from the back side. सबसे पहले you have to start from here, from the downward portion, not from the above portion. As we move toward upwards, we'll use the light colors. You have to make the overlapping leaves of the lotus flower. You have to clean your palette knife time and again. This much, and I'm just overlapping. एक लेयर डार्क की यहाँ पर भी है. Your strokes should be visible. Now जो मैंने अलग निकाला था, mixing that also. मैं ये भी दे रही हूँ इसके अंदर because I'll be needing more, तो मैं white दोबारा बनाऊंगी. I hope you guys are enjoying the session. Now I'll be starting. Somewhere I'm giving small and somewhere I'm giving big strokes also. I'm taking this much color and then just pressing it. have to clean my palette again. I hope guys you're enjoying the session. When we move upwards, the color should be light. Thank you, Sushma ma'am. Thank you, Dipti ma'am. Guys, can I leave this portion? Because I want to show this and थोड़ा सा काम से बचा हुआ है, तो I don't want to make texture paste again. I'll finish it and post it in the group. पर जो थोड़ा सा काम बचा हुआ है, I wanted to do that. Because it is the same strokes. And creating texture paste again तो थोड़ा time consume होगा. I wanted to show further मुझे क्या करना है इसके अंदर. Because there are only 10 minutes left और इसमें भी काम थोड़ा बचा हुआ है. सबसे पहले मैंने थोड़ा सा वाइट और लिया है, पाउडर और लिया है. And this time what I have done is मैंने थोड़ा सा ना पतला बनाया है, you can see. जो हमने पहले यूज किया था that was quite dark और जो ये वाला शेड है ये this is थोड़ा सा thinner than that shade. तो what I'll do is मैं यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा करके दिखा रही हूँ because finish करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा ये आर्टिकल. अभी इसमें काम बचा हुआ है. सबसे पहले तो व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, हम थोड़ा थोड़ा कहीं ना कहीं इसको ऐसे थोड़ी सी लाइंस दे रहे हैं. To create the layer effect, the waves effect. और फिर जो ये थोड़ा सा पतला है, what I'm doing is यहाँ पे I'm placing it towards the horizon. और यहाँ पे मैं इसको पूरा पेस्ट लगा रही हूँ. The middle portion you can do it on yourself. और यहाँ पे मैं इसको पूरा पेस्ट की एक लेयरिंग दे रही हूँ. Under the horizon, white line should not be mixed. यहाँ तक मैंने इसको दिया और फिर मैं स्पून से इस नाइफ से I'm just giving the strokes like this. This was an important step. अब आप देखोगे कि ये थोड़ा सा बर्न होना शुरू हो गया है क्योंकि ये पतला है, तो वी नीड टू रीडू दिस अगेन. और जो ये वाले सारे स्ट्रोक्स है कोई भी मर्ज नहीं हुए आपस में. तो यू हैव टू रीडू इट अगेन. Now we need some colors. If you want, you can do it with the paste only, the flower portion. But I am doing it with brush. कहीं कहीं पे you have to show the flowers. मैं इसको अभी कर रही हूँ, but you guys do when your this texture paint completely dries. तो आप प्लीज उसके बाद करना. You have to give somewhere dotting effect types. And somewhere you have to make a big flower kind. Now take sap green. Now this portion is a bit lighter. तो यहाँ पे हमें थोड़ा सा इसका शैडो इफेक्ट दिखाना पड़ेगा. You can do, you can mix a bit of black also in sap green. Then also you can do this. Wherever you have made the flowers, थोड़ा सा उसके नीचे एक डंडी दिखानी पड़ेगी. Just give a small line. And just try to give dotting effect on every leaf. आपको ये डॉटिंग जो लीफ की देनी है वो टिल हियर देना है. कहीं कहीं पर आपको यहाँ पे भी पानी में भी वी कैन शो. And we can show brass effect also. I'm just extending the color, nothing else. just creating line randomly. यहाँ पर भी जहाँ पर भी आपका ये पूरा इसको आपको कवर करना है. And more towards the end. You can use dark black color also instead of sap green, but I was comfortable in sap green. See, this is again, this has merged because it is thin. So I will do it again, and this has not merged. It's 5, so I have to end the session. I hope you all like the session. Tomorrow we are meeting again for the crackle effect, stenciling with crackle effect. I'll share the poster. Just after I finish this, I'll share the poster for tomorrow's class also, and I'll finish this article and post the pic of this article also. Thank you everyone. Hope you enjoyed the session. We'll be meeting tomorrow again at the same time, 4 o'clock. Thank you for joining in. Bye bye.